When I put the Bambu Lab A1 Mini against the Creality Ender 3 V3KE, the trade-offs are crystal clear. The Creality Ender 3 V3KE offers a larger 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume and an open-source software environment running Clipper, which gives you absolute freedom to modify the physical frame, install third-party macro scripts, and source cheap generic replacement parts from dozens of independent manufacturers. However, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini wins on out-of-the-box reliability and sensor calibration consistency, and I found the automated resonance tuning and tension calibration vastly superior to Creality's setup wizard when trying to get a perfect print on the first try without spending hours reading community forums. You are essentially choosing between Creality's superior build volume with an open-source hacking philosophy and Bambu's superior out-of-the-box user experience with an appliance-like workflow.